SlowCast English, Episode 20. Discuss food.
What's your favorite food?
I love chicken and rice.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
I don't like broccoli.
Why not?
The taste is strange.
Aha, I understand.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
What can you cook?
Fried rice.
Yum.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, every day.
Introduction to this podcast. Chat about food preferences. Hannah and Eric discuss their favorite foods, including chicken, rice, and fruit. Eric enjoys vegetables, but Hannah dislikes broccoli due to its taste. They also talk about cooking, with Eric mentioning he can make fried rice. The conversation highlights their personal tastes and cooking habits.